actions and have NBFC stocks reversed after that. Let's mark some of those NBFC stocks, especially the ones which are largely in the unsecured loan category. That would include, let's say, a 5-star, for example, very large unsecured book. That would include some of the microfinance companies. So let's take the conversation forward with Shweta Daptardar, Vice President and Lead Analyst, Diversified Financials with Elara Capital. Shweta, is RBI in a sense giving more like a profit warning or more like a, it is more like a big brother warning for NBFCs that you have to slow down, otherwise we will come after you. Can one look at RBI's comments in with this kind of an assessment?
Yes, definitely. Good afternoon. So the strong words are coming from RBI, and this is more so because RBI is sensing that the credit expansion that has happened, especially in the MFI, MSME space, which has happened like over past several years, now it's leading to balance sheet risk because most of these financiers have been chasing growth while compromising on credit quality. So further, RBI also highlighted that the retail growth has exceeded retail demand, which has primarily led to indebtedness in the system. So that's where largely the apprehensions are emanating from.
So do you see that the unsecured focused NBFCs, especially the ones in the microfinance business or in the entire personal finance space, could get derated?
Yeah, so we're seeing that for a while now. So while RBI had highlighted several months ago the unsecured portion and the top-up loan exposures, as well as the usurious rates which MFIs have been charging. So definitely they have called out risk on these business segments, primarily from the perspective that one, like I mentioned, indebtedness at the borrower level. Two, the excessive credit expansion, defying the defying the data on labor, defying the data on increased incomes at the rural base. So despite this remaining steady, there has been disproportionate increase in ticket sizes, especially in MFI and MSME unsecured category. So that is where primarily the concerns are coming. And as you rightly pointed out, going forward, NBFCs will have to see recalibration of growth rates. There will be recalibration even on the risk pricing rates front as well. Perhaps we might see some review and guidelines coming from RBI in near future, say in terms of how the risk pricing, credit risk management should happen.
All right, Shweta. Really appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.